Welcome to the Gyan Niketan Girls School. Myself Tanu Srivastava, and in this video we will see some examples of the iterative statements. While loop. The while loop is the simplest of all looping structure. The while loop keeps on executing the block of a statement as long as the specified test condition evaluates to true. There are four components: initialization, then we check the condition with the while loop body. That means the statement that will be repeated given number of times, and updation that means the step value. We have to increase the value of variable to reach the condition, that is the updation. We will see some examples of the while loop. Look, using this we can print the natural number up to 10 because the condition is given less than equal 10. So it will execute up to 10. I equal to 0, that is the initialization. I less than equal 10, that is the condition. Loop body print I, that means print I will repeat it 10 times, and I equal to I plus 1, that is the updation of the value. Next example we can see, we have to print the cube of the numbers given between 10 to 20. Between 10 to 20, so it will not use the 20. You can see the operator used here, that is the less than sign. That means when it will reach to 20, the execution will be terminated. And in the output you can see it is displaying the cube of the number from 10 to 19. With the print we have used the exponent sign and the 3 that is used to print the cube. If you have to find the square of the given number, then in place of 3 you will do the 2 and it will work same. Next example we can see, print the table of any number. The example is given, num equal to int input, enter number. That means we can print the table of any number. I equal to 1, that is the initialize the value, because when we print the table it start from the 1 and at least it go up to 10. So the condition is given less than equal 10. In the print, with the print statement you can see num and I is not retained within double quotes, because if you will write num and I within double quotes, that will print num and I in place of 34 and 1, 34 and 2. It will print only the num and I. That's why it is not written within double quotes, and then after the value is given. Infinite loop. Infinite loop is a sequence of instruction in computer program which loops endlessly. It happens either due to the loop having no terminating condition or having the condition that can never be met. This is the example given. You can see when you will execute this program, there will be no ending option. There is no limitation, and when we have to stop it, we have to close the execution window, then only it will be over. Loop else. A for or while loop can have an optional else block as well. The else part is executed if the loop terminates normally. It means if all the value in a sequence get used in a standard way without the loop being forcefully terminated. Both the loops for and while can use the else part, but it is not mandatory. It is just a secure way to check that the loop has terminated normally. The example you can see, upper limit and the lower limit. It will display the totaling of all the numbers given between the range. When it will be the even number, even plus I. When it will be the odd number, that means it will odd plus I. Otherwise, it will print the message loop terminated successfully. Here the output you can see, I have entered the lower limit 3, upper limit 48. So it is displaying the message simply loop terminated successfully and the sum of all the even number, sum of all the odd number. Thank you.